Can I use Walkie Talkie between different Apple Watches?
Hello, Apple enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to answer a common question. Can I use Walkie Talkie between different Apple Watches? The short answer is yes, and we're going to dive into more details about this fantastic feature of your Apple Watch.
What is the Walkie Talkie feature?
Walkie Talkie is a communication feature on Apple Watch that allows you to send and receive quick audio messages with your contacts. Imagine a traditional walkie-talkie, but instead, it's your Apple Watch. It's a convenient and fun way to keep in touch with your friends, family, or colleagues.
Can different Apple Watches connect?
Absolutely. Any Apple Watch with watchOS 5.0 or later and an iPhone with iOS 12 or later can use the Walkie Talkie feature. So, whether your friend has an Apple Watch Series 3 and you have the latest Series 7, you can both use the Walkie Talkie feature as long as the required operating system version is installed.
How to set up and use Walkie Talkie?
To use this feature, you need to 1. Open the Walkie Talkie app on your Apple Watch. 2. Tap a friend's name, then wait for your friend to accept the invitation. 3. Once your friend accepts, just press and hold the talk button, and you can start speaking. 4. Release the button to let your friend talk back. Remember, you need to be connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular network for Walkie Talkie to work.
Can I use Walkie Talkie with multiple people?
Yes, you can add multiple people to your Walkie Talkie contacts and toggle between different conversations easily. However, you can only communicate with one person at a time. This makes the feature less suitable for group communication, but perfect for one-on-one chats. So, there you have it. Your Apple Watch is not just a timekeeping device, it's a handy communication tool. Whether you're running errands, working out, or just want a quick chat, the Walkie Talkie feature can bring a touch of convenience to your wrist. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to make the most of your Apple Watch. Until next time, stay connected.